Have you ever been frustrated by having to log into different bank accounts just to move your own money? If you have multiple accounts at EverBank, maybe a checking account for daily expenses and a performance savings account to build up some interest, you need a fast, easy way to manage the funds between them. Good news, EverBank makes internal transfers simple, whether you're on your computer or using their mobile app. Today, we're going to quickly walk through the steps for transferring money between your EverBank accounts online. This process is seamless, secure, and ensures your money is always exactly where it needs to be. Let's start with the online banking experience on your desktop or laptop. On everbank.com. Step 1. Log in. First, head over to everbank.com and securely log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Transfers. Once you're in your main dashboard, look for the Transfer and Pay tab in the main navigation bar. Select it, and then choose the Transfers option. This is your hub for moving money. Step 3. Set up the transfer. On the transfer screen, you'll select your two accounts. For the From account, choose the EverBank account you want to move money out of, say, your checking account. For the To account, select the EverBank account you want the money to go into, like your high-yield savings account. Step 4. Enter the details. Now, simply enter the amount you wish to transfer. You can also specify if you want this to be a one-time transfer or if you want to set it up as a recurring transfer, which is perfect for scheduled savings. Choose the date for the transfer, which can be today or any future date. Step 5. Review and confirm. Finally, you'll be taken to a confirmation screen. Double-check the From account, the To account, and the transfer amount to make sure everything is correct. When you're satisfied, click Confirm or Submit Transfer. You'll get an immediate confirmation that your internal transfer is complete. Using the EverBank mobile app. Prefer to bank on the go? The process is just as quick in the EverBank mobile app. Step 1. Open the app. Log into the EverBank mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. Step 2. Tap Transfer and Pay. From the main home screen or the menu, look for the Transfer and Pay option and tap it. Step 3. Initiate the transfer. The app will clearly present your transfer options. You'll select your From account and your To account, just like on the website. Step 4. Enter the amount and date. Type in the dollar amount and select the date for the transfer. If you're setting up a repeating transfer, you can select that option here as well. Step 5. Review and complete. Review all the details on the final confirmation screen and tap Submit. That's it. Your money is on the move, instantly accessible between your accounts. Whether you're moving money for a large expense or setting up a simple recurring savings plan, EverBank makes it effortless to manage your funds across all your internal accounts. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.